So, you know, as I was saying, that this guy is talking a lot about Vavenda and the different tribes, and he compared us to the different tribes of Jacob and all of that. I want to know more about that, and I want to know more about the Ingoma that you guys are talking about. So we do have a guest that's about to join us, Mr. Mbangiseni Ephraim Ravere. Please welcome him on here.
Hey, fine, it's Zone. Hey, Zone. Hey.
Hello, Mr. Mbangiseni. How are you?
Hello. Eta.
Please welcome Mr. Mbangiseni. Mr. Mbangiseni is a lot of things. He's a creative, he's a creator, he's a producer, executive producer of Mikosi Media, creator of Mikosi Media. I can go on and on and on about what a great man we have here. But yes, sir, we know that you are very informed and knowledgeable about the Vavenda, and you know you wrote a book also, Son of Man, and he speaks a lot about Vavenda and all of that and everything we've faced and a lot. So this guy was telling me about the different Venda tribes, the different instruments that they use, the reasons why they use those things. Could you please enlighten us more on that? All these different tribes, Valembe, Vasingo. I want to know more about that. Where does that stem from?
Yeah, okay. Lazanda Oziamba.
Okay.
Bare mutu wotomo shika hapa. Wa msingo wa tomoto wa kosi. Achikukono tanganse izinto kushikala chendo ndi dimbanyika. Ano amboro upfinyi. Vamwe vachizviamba. Vamwe vatozvianedza. Vari limwe dzina chifidya mbeu. Ndiyambo ni mwana wawe. Vamwe vari avachifivhere. Vamwe vari kuchikura. So atiri ito history yokoronga patopambana nawo vakuzokuamba zvawo mara yeah izvezvo zvauri orusvika hapa he came here and then you find different types of groupings living here together, not together but you find mwe vakudzura komapongobye borapuru ne others were in the vadau va diamond they were also in so what he did like are one hour so that they can be under one roof. Yes,
Is that where the notion of Venda was Venda, but not part of South Africa? Like it stood on its own, apart from, and then now we are like, where does that come from? What's the connection there?
From what I zona present ko pesando zori. Ovasa twana mikano. Because Zimbabwe hapa na hapa South Africa kana hapa onera vaone. Oboto mukano bomurambo.
Obomurambo.
It's that bangwa badorishashe bangwa Limpopo River, bangwa bari Vembe.
Meaning that's what separated
Mirambo,
us from
Mirambo, yeah. Mara but vachikono wora abakwa mashakani bangwa bawora badangeni. Mikano da na mkwa konyogo dibazora hapa ndikonyogo ubusa hapa ndinyogo ubusa hapa kono kanura hapa ngora. So Venda zinenda dibazone. Venda zamba if Lord Venda zamba sujinji. Bangwa doli vakavere.
Okay.
Lingola loko kwamba babanda bakubdawo bakubvanda bavenda babanda so vamwe vatonzori no bavenda vaonekana vukwamba vatu vangona so zvibva kuri dzomwariwa mbuku ndinji dzomwariwa vunji mara zvine vodzimwarawo mumwe vokuamba zvavo ngori uvako narizini dzawo mumwe kuamba zvavo ngori narizini dzawo mara ari uri history yavukuma ndifiyo you can never know, you just pick here and there and believe what makes sense.
Yeah.
What makes sense?
What makes sense?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ndi kwatisele ile fungo. Tere it must be reko burunga ndivo ya uri na vadulu ane vashu ba fare na rino ri ve ri dzule ngora ri vusane dzimbuso ninga uri na nera dongola so ndi chilingedzo uri ringe ri khova informa ava vana va vorine va duru va dawo hechi chicho no fingo malungunde ngoma thundundu erohimi upfi chova chichi shumiswa fodziningwa
Chashishishumisanga Bavenda Vote as a whole, Kana, were there a specific tribe that it belonged to, or that they could, like, that could use it well, or like, since there are different tribes of Venda, right? Was it specifically for a certain tribe of Venda to
famous
whatever reasons that it's for?
masingo fe achisvika ngeno oshumisa chone ukonkara
Okay.
vathu ve avachidzula pano.
Okay.
Maybe ndichingangedza kala ne Makhavhu kwamba zvona saka tsimne richikwaruwa vamakuru avo rinda vadori vavo vadori budzori hoda vasingo voda nango marungundu.
Okay.
Vathu vo vareso bhibhiri vadova vanyako not twist, but atiri bhibhiri vadoni budzori most of the stories are based from African stories. So
yes.
they just westernized the whole thing. That's what a lot of people believe. Not a lot, few believe there. After problem when
That's the problem.
Don't want to educate
TV.
We're ignorant.
We're ignorant.
So badani budzanga ngangoma lungundu. So nichiyo vara apala nichiya panda kadzimwe dzi history badani budzori kana arodhiva zvakare. Dhiva zvakare tiri ngachivenda. Badani budzori ngoma dzadzimbiri.
Okay.
Ngori apala vachikora wona makadzi. Wa vachipfe chishonga.
Okay.
Ndiane wachigwa ngoma ifutundundu.
Okay.
So vamwe vadori ndi ngoma ntii, ngoma rungundu na tundu ndi ngoma ntii. Vamwe vari no ngoma rungundu ndiye yachi warwanga itsedechi warwanga vathu vachishonga
Kana varemba.
kana nga varemba. Hey yachishonga ifutundundu yachidwa nga vone makadzi vone vane. So zina different purposes.
Yes.
Nichiyaka kavaremba varomba na vone vava na ngoma atomeri chambe ngoma ndi mini.
Please.
Ngoma toni apa ndi ngoma hapo na ngoma. So I think muzika nichiudiya iyi ti muzika arori nyimbo chiri dzichitambiwa dzifara apa napo ichiri gugu that's a sound na ngoma nichidiya iri gugu. So ngoma can be also be here, could also be here. So ndichikonyangora ndichongofefaza kalori na varemba baba na chimwe chinanga vachibadwa vachibudzori ndi ngoma na vasingo vodwa vava na chimwe chinanga vachibudzori ndi ngoma. Not avakotoamba ngoma hela nini kutwamba ovura vakotoamba ndi ngoma ngauri hezvi vachiiridza ina effect come to ane ava uri wahwelwa kana asikohwelwa itsedza uri ipedze ikuita zvimwe zviri kha vamwe vathu kufanira yadzvera fi varemba vachirwa vatoradhira mabhungano ava vanari vakonyago usabhika nango vakonyago ruwa kana vakonyago jira vachaichiri ridzwela nangai vathu va mabhungano zvamu ndikasirwe nina dangani ndozigona dzizobuya nyana ndikozwa ngoma rungundu vachidwa vamwe vafenta ngoma rungundu echidwa vamwe vafenta dzimwe ngoma dzodara vatanibudzananga mituragore besides vangona na vathu vachivasa vanayo mituragore vathu vachivasa masingo vachivasa vanayo ndova ndari ndodayira vamusana vo Kennedy vari ione mituragore apalani muratu wanga haavi fairi yaincha
today, like in this generation, within this era.
Yes, I went there last year.
Oh, all right.
Which I took on the zone. I don't know whether it's because they are situated in a place where like if not so I wouldn't know it because they are situated in a place now. It's a rainy place. So I wouldn't know. But anyway, this is unangoma yakabakaba which ndiye batabatsimbi because it's very ichi boitanga zwi ngazvirumburu zva ngoma rungundu musi uchipfi diambeu ndikaimwe history diambeu ane ava zvine ka history kufendi mwana wa dimbanyika kaimwe history achikonyago kunda vathu varuheni vachiheni nduru heni chichende apa Don't but what
chini ndia
Ruhendi apa Ruhendi yange panda chikwaza ngandi. So achikonyango uva konkara vala vatu. Atuwana ngoma ndungundu yaswa yawa. Vaswa vakongulwa masingo ba diambo fwe burairwa ninge. Babuya vachikugidima vachikoshava. Vatabatsende vajela ngoma. Vachazurumburuzwa ona vatakavakava. You know? Mutu upfu wa the idea achikobva hange vachikobuya kudzodzera ngoma. Ndi mwana wa Chishonga. Ufenyi. Wa na teri mutoshe. Chinanga chopitiri mutoshe. Chimwe chimushonga. Nachona chinga ngoma ndicho chichibudzedziwa. Vatu magwiriwa. Vapfuri avo yo wasvi. Ndikutoijia pata yashu. Ndizone dzingoma dzina different purposes vachidzitamba pozitambira zvopambana nawo. Mara ngoma ndi sound ine yavori affects the person who is listening to that sound. Yes.
And in different ways, because we wouldn't hear it the same way as a person in the spirit or would hear it.
Exactly. Like you don't even have to go far. Like ari dzima piano zvino apa. Oya ngasta kuwe. Mara unabati ana bare murambo nga but they're feeling the music, but that's it. Musica uri faro pamba. Yes,
that's true. So I hear you speak about unisiwa hamvura in Kando. I never followed what was happening exactly, but my grandmother would tell me, Uri, I had ancestors or who would make it rain. I didn't ask how because I thought, what? Make it rain, you know? And then as I grew, I found out I have other ancestors from my father's side who would bring lightning, gonna send lightning to a specific person or specific household for whatever reason. So Baba, the minute Uri, Baba with that much power that they could command things like rain, things like lightning. What did they use? What is that connection? Like, are you saying I can do that today?
Arizviteso. Modeni happendi modikol. Namsabe bwana vatano. Abafane abalava. Una une ningari mwana mo akava vana vatano havona problem. Na wana hava vatu vachiya mukamtumti. Ningawana uri hola mwana ono kamtumti oto nangerwa uri ari hava na mamwe matada akonothusa vamwe. So ribebuwa rina purposes zopambana nawo. Nane pala kala vano ndaona muloyi. Utobati zvino rofunzwa uri muloyi rimere kure naye. Mara erino upipe muloyi watodea mdii.
Urarwe.
Ufuna unirwera. Muloyi wato ndoro ufuna na maino doba ho. Na mdede doba ho. Na chigoma ntanda chidoba chihona. Ndori okay, before we were westernized or ngoma zvibhadhera zvikoro nini zvote before zvichiva zvaiswa finish school this ndizvo ndikati mini makhuva vakudziya zvithu zvavo rine vazvichinja vari ari shume zvava zvavo vaya vachinja chikoro vaderedzi vava vahone kare vachifika kuzvidhasa zvamafora napfunzo dhokotera lalihoni nakare timaine so rina dziclass dzofambana nawo vari mini a prophet chachimungoma ichitu because vanhu ufemini
chigoma mtanda
a biochemist avala vono mixa mishonga chigoma ntanda chachione oyo anevona general practitioner tibred general practitioner una ndeve ani zamandeve una na chipfura ndiani ani changa mishonga ani pamshonga lali dzorokwe kare lali dzorokwe lali chikono divesa madwadze manje la konwala lali dzorokwe lali ka on top of food chains
here was a perfect healer pacharapa vabutungu
la dovala posa na stango lalo jia he was the gifted like more gifted ngoro abachikona profita achikono funza achikono diva mshonga sachigoma ntanda achikono ubona achikono zote so he was on top of the food chain but don't buzori classical that's 7 edzimbiri tizidive mara ungari una wa masira musi na masira musi wona owa usikise tidive ndopi rikadi research chart ya pa so ndichikobuya khaeli ya lori ndona muthu akho ndianḓadzi ndi khou dovha nda pena muloyi u vha a dzula a hone muḓini ni tshi beba kha vhana vhaṱanu na hanefha ḽa hashu wa muloyi u ḓo vha hone u ḓo ḓi vhona a ri ho vhifha ha vhifha muloyi u ḓo bva ri kolwa
And you might not know that
ni ḓo mu vhona i ri ni hu vhifhe muloyi u ḓo bva a ri ndi hone muloyi a ri ṱori yo lowa vhona riṋe a ndi fanela ri tshiṅwe tshifhinga na pfori apfe hei hayi na problem vha ḓo bva a ri ṱori yo vhonisa a ri ha itea zwiṅwe ndi hafhaḽani fana nda ri khona u lifhedza ndi yonoyo u khou nyaga u lwa one muloyi u a ṱoḓea muḓini
Sure. Honor to protect though. Honor to protect. Not honor so kotoba bathu. What are you doing?
The other thing is what the Christian did or what Christian okay, since we're colonized on Christianity.
Yes.
But we must throw away our culture, our spirituality. It's outlandish. It's very tungo. It's what diabolo. It's what mean. But all in all, usoni bona basa zwiita nga vachizwita. Baba chizwita nga manda. If na ba history abantu zozori na bona bachirowa nga manda. Na zona bakadrowa bana warumwe. So na ritual bakadzita mina zona. Mara ndabo ditori na ripori. Uchifi umuloyi ribe ashamed na ola mtu rimere kule naye. Mara ndi mtu ana uri nene uwate una purpose hapa shangoni. Chimwe chipinga muloyi ola chifu muloyi watoda chimwe chipinga muloyi uba itori na zikuno zore vasongo bvafa. Ati bodo ba to baba banyako dibazo borelwa mini ba funo baba ba se ba korelwa mini ba kono uwana uri ba funo abe chimwe chipinga uhulai you grow from a challenge.
That's very
You defeat a challenge, you grow. Even as unaka class, before you go to standard 12 to grade 12, nifuna mwana mulingo. Mulingo ni ndi ela trouble. That's a challenge. Na zwino you can't grow spiritually usina muloyi.
Oh damn, I like that.
Nda.
Oh my goodness, that ought like that deserves a break. We need to take a break. Thank you so much, Vho-Tshidonngi.
Nah.
Vho-Tshidonngi. Oh my God.
Hello.
Hey, thank you so much. We'll be back after the break.
King has rested, Bokoti bonopata, uneradzura one, nichibona zvichirari shango, songo manga, songo chu, songo chenua, borisia obado kuvatedzo. Ngabadze somo buso Songolira mwananga ele Kumurani mwananga ele Mitodzi kure mwananga ele.
What a powerful message. What a powerful session. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your input, your words of wisdom, your knowledge, your research. Thank you so much. We are so grateful for you, Music Evolution, and we are very happy to have had you once again after such a long time. My goodness. Thank you so much, Southwood community. I hope you are enlightened. I hope you have grown. I hope you know more about Vavenda and the power that lies within us, and you as an African are strengthened as well. And you know what? There's another place beyond this, a place of peace, a place of joy, a place of heaven. So if you are depressed, if you are sad, if you're going through storms of life, nisongorira, don't worry, kumulani, nisongochua, all is well. A place is being prepared for you where you will rest well and you will conquer all the things of the world. The Bible says, count it all joy when you go through trials and tribulations, because that is meant to give you endurance and perseverance, and those must finish their work so you may come out mature and good. Don't ever lose hope. Thank you so much from the streets of Venda. We're out! Mwah! See you next time.
Bye. Bye. fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away. Bashu chikata chongo charapa, mambo udodzomborora shiri adanga. Fly away, 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 fly away. I want you to fly away. I want you to fly away.